Are you looking to level up your desk setup with some quality lighting but don't want to break the bank? Maybe you've been eyeing expensive options like Philips Hue and wondering, do I really need to spend that much for great lighting? Well, today we're diving into the Govee light bars, a budget-friendly option that might just deliver the same quality and customization without the hefty price tag. I'll show you how these lights can transform your space, whether you're after subtle ambient lighting or a focused desk light for productivity. So let's see if these Govee light bars can bring the style, customization, and quality you're looking for. Now let's get these lights out of the box and we will see what is all included with the Govee lights. The first thing we find in the box are some manuals and advertisement stuff. After that, we can take out the packaged lights and look at the rest of the products, which are packaged in these little boxes. The packaging is already on point, I would say. In the first of the three boxes, we get two things, both wrapped in plastic. This is on the one hand a dock for control of the lights, and on the other hand the power supply. Now in the second box we get these little plastic mounts for vertical mounting of the light bars. Further in the last box we also get some mounts, but this time for vertical mounting. These mounts can be used for hanging the lights from somewhere using the 3M adhesive. With everything out of the box, now we can take a look at the lights itself, which are also wrapped in plastic for protection. Right off the bat we can see a big flaw of the lamp. As you can see, both light bars are connected to one cable that is then plugged in the dock. The problem is that this can severely limit your choices on how to install the lamps, because these cables are also not very long. Now let's install the lamp. For that we plug the USB Type-C cable from the lamps in the dock, and then we connect the dock with the grid with this power supply. After that we can choose to mount the lamp vertically like shown here, or we mount it horizontally with the other mount. Now with everything set up in a good spot, we'll dive into all the features they offer. From color options to brightness settings and app controls, let's see what these lights can really do. Let us start by looking on all of the specs of these lamps. Here's what these Govee light bars offer. Full RGB, so you can pick any color you like, and the ability to control each LED individually. Perfect for creating unique multicolor effects. They're also bright, with 200 lumens, giving you plenty of power for ambient or direct desk lighting. Plus Govee software features really shine, with customizable scenes, music sync, and detailed app controls to tailor your lighting experience exactly how you want. For the build quality, we have a fully plastic build, which is okay, but in some areas it feels a bit cheap, like here for example, where you can see through the diffuser. Because I want to see if these lights can also be used as desk lights, I tested out the light performance. With my phone I could measure 300 lux, which is okay for writing and reading in most cases. To conclude, I would say that these lights definitely have the specs and features to beat more expensive lights from Philips Hue, which are sometimes double the price and more. Only in the build quality are minor issues but no real problems. Now let us actually test out all of those amazing features of this lamp. Let's start with the dock controls, which are really intuitive. On the top where they have the power button, beneath that a button to select different static colors, and at the bottom we can select different animation modes. For example, you can activate this color changing mode in a lot more modes like a fireplace mode and more. Even more customization is possible with the desktop app for these lights, which you can get through the official website. If you have the app installed, you need to connect the lamps per Wi-Fi, and then you have this control widget for the lamp here. Here you can choose any color you like and the brightness. Also on scenes you can select a wide variety of animations. For example, a rainbow mode or the snowflake mode or this meteor effect. Another really amazing software feature is that you can also connect these lamps to Razer Chroma, which is really useful if you use other Razer products. When you're connected, you can adjust the lamps to the rest of your gaming setup like this. This is already a big pro for this lamp, but let's look further into the software experience by checking out the mobile app. This app has even more features than the desktop version and is also really well designed. Of course, you also got the color selection tool here and the brightness slider here, but besides that, we can even select the color and brightness for every section individually. I really like that you can go that deep into the customization and make your complete own design like this. Also in this app you have the ability to turn off the lamps individually, which is not possible on the desktop. In the scene folder you can access all of the scenes available on the desktop and even more. Also in the app you can find these illumination modes that are specifically designed for reading or writing, for example. Additionally, we can even select how the lights should react to music here, which isn't possible with many lamps. Besides that, you can even select some custom themes from other people over the DIY tab, and if you go on more, you can open the effects lab where you can select colors to certain pictures. Another incredible feature of this app is the browse feature to find even more themes from other people, which further enhances your customization options. Just take a look at how many themes are available here from other people. By the way, these lights are also compatible with Google Home and Alexa, which can be really useful. Now let me get to one of my favorite features, the automation tab. Here we have this time diagram where you can select a time in the morning to wake you up and also a time in the night where the lamps should turn off automatically. Isn't that really useful? Plus, besides that, you can create some if statements that can turn on or off your lights, so you can even create your own automations. Also, there are tip to run features that you can select, for example, if you come home from work. The app is even so advanced that you can install a theme to change the whole aesthetic of the app. The software features are simply incredible for these life, I have to say, and there are not many ambient lights that can compete with that level of customization. Now let's get back to our starting question, whether these Govee light bars are your best choice for desk customization and have the quality, specs and functionality to take on more expensive lights from Philips Hue. So to answer our first question, I would say that these lights are almost perfect if you are looking for some ambient lighting around your PC, because they not only have a clean design but are also really powerful and easy to install. But the emitted light is not like with an LED strip. Another great thing that comes with the form factor of this light is that you can also mount it as a desk light from the top, and with a rather powerful brightness you can build a really unique setup. Quality wise, it has some minor issues, but overall everything feels solid and well designed, so there is no real issue there. Now another really great pro of this lamp is the incredible software that offers almost endless customization and a wide variety of features from effects to automations, and it even offers connections to popular softwares like Razer Chroma and Amazon Alexa. All of this you can get for only 40 to 50 bucks, which is a steal compared to lights from Philips Hue, which sometimes offer even less customization. Overall, I would say that this product offers some really great features for its price, and can also level up any desk setup in a unique way that normal ambient lighting with LED strips couldn't. Besides that, they are also perfect as desk lights, which is also really practical because most desk lights just don't have that many features. Now if you are interested in these lamps, you can check them out with the link in the description, or you visit our website where you can find them too, and many other cool tech products. If you enjoyed the channel, consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like.